Good morning, ma'am. I am Ayush Jaswal from class 9th C. My roll number is 14 and I have to completed the PPT on my topic models. The definition of model is a model is a type of auxiliary helping verb that is used to express ability, possibility, permission or obligation. Modal phrases are used to express the same thing as modal but are a common. Here are some characteristics of modal verb. First is they are always followed by an infinitive without to, i.e., the bare indefinite. Second, they never change their form. We cannot add s, ed, or ing. Third, they are used to indicate modifying, allow speaker to express certain possibility, willingness, obligation, necessity, and ability. List of the modal verb are here is the type of modal verb. First, can, could, may, might, will, should, shall, should, must. The verb or expression there ought to had better and need to behave like modal auxiliaries to a large extent and might be added to above list. Function of modal verb. First, permission. Second, ability. Third, obligation. Fourth, prohibition. Fifth, lack of necessity. Sixth, advice. Seventh, possibility. Eighth, probability. Here are the some example of modal verb are. First, you can catch the train at 10:43. Second, he can't see you right now. He is in surgery. Could base form of the verb. First example is I could fly Viva Amsterdam in if I leave the day before. Ask permission to give permission informal. First example is can you lend me $10 plus subject plus base form of the verbs. Example, could I have your number? Second, could I talk to your supervisor please? Make a suggestion. To make a suggestion use could plus base form of the verb. Example first is you could take the tour of the castle tomorrow. May might. Formal permission, formal prohibition. May not plus base form of the verb. First example is you may start your exam now. Second example is you may not wear sandal to work. Polite request. The statement is may plus subject plus base form of the verb. Example is may I help you? Another one is possibility and negative possibility. Might plus base form of the verb. The first example is we may go out for dinner today. Do you want to join us? Second example is our company might get the order if the client agrees into the price. May not, might not, base form of the verb. First example is Adam and Sue may not be busy that house it is very expensive. Second, they might not busy a house at all. Polite suggestion. Might plus base form of the verb. Example is you might like to try the salmon fillet. It is our special today. Shall, should, ought to. Polite suggestion. When you are please shall we go for a walk? Polite suggestion. When we are not sure of a positive answer. S- Statement should plus subject plus base form of the verb. Example is should I call a doctor to give advice? Should ought to plus base form of the verb. Example is First example is, you should check the document before you send it out. Second, you ought to have your car survived before the winter. To give advice about something you think wrong or unacceptable. Statement should not plus base form of the verb. Almost 100% certain. Must plus base form of the verb. Example: Thomas has lived in Paris for a year. His French must be very good. To persuade, at last, to persuade, must I have to must have to plus base form of the verb. Example is, you may try this wine. It's excellent. Modal will or will slash would. Will slash want plus base form of the verb. Example first, John pick John will pick you at 7 a.m. Second, Beth won't be happy with the result of the exam. Polite polite request or statement, will plus would plus base form of the verb. Example, will you please take the trash out? Second, would you mind it